Oh yeah. Another mistake for another day. As you see, the red. Another car. Man, getting good at this getting car stuff. Now we just get them running. Anyways, new to our edition of the family. Car family here. This 1996 BMW Z3. Yeah, Z3. 96. First year of production. Cars had a pretty rough life until it's like the bumper ain't quite matching there. A lot of scuffs. Guy had his garage. Let the kids play with it. I mean, who lets the kids play with their BMW? The stickers. You see the peel coat. The clear coat is peeling. When the kids knock the mirrors off. Clear coat's coming off pretty bad there. Back window. Stitches in there, or zipper stitches in there. Is there. Not really sure what the deal with this here is. I mean, it looks like they were kind of, I don't know. We'll buy the piece and fix that. I'm just finding it online. But yeah, Z3, rear wheel drive, convertible. I've got to say this is my first personal owned convertible. I'm not a big convertible fan. I hate convertibles. One of the better looking convertibles I've seen, other than I love a Miata, but Miata's cheap. So what do? We get a Z3. That's expensive Miata, pretty much. 1.9 under the hood. Oh, thumb over the hand over the spare right now. Of course, I got the tow hooks in, or had them in. That's just, the car's filthy. I mean, they've just let it. It's just been sitting. Only known issue with it is, I do believe we want to do her head gasket. I do believe it's got the 1.9 in it. That's what they came out in these years. 4 cylinders, about 145 horses or so. But old BMW, nothing too much to expect from it. The trunk lid open here. As you can see, BMW registered, pretty clean service package. I got shock broke here for the trunk. This kind of upsets me. All the tool stuff, 90% of it's missing, or almost all of it. I'm just kind of scouring, searching through it. I'm just kind of searching through it. Blah, 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 blah. Scouring, whatever. And I seen this, and I was like, what's this? And the whole thing started pulling. So I pull it down. And I was like, oh, look at there. It's got 10-disc CD player, or 6-disc CD player. My bad. I've seen that. 6 discs. I guess it'd be 12 because we got an extra pack here and the pack in there. That's pretty cool. Dual. So you got 12 CDs you put in there. Sure, it's not hooked up, being that they've got CD player in there. Not really sure what that deal is. So, but yeah, pretty clean as you see. No rust. So I mean, there's some surface, but there ain't. Just a little bit of hit and go. The battery goes back there too, so that's probably where that rust is. Tow hook actually goes in the package. See, dripping the water out here. That's where I say, hey, water come back in to the head gasket. Open this door here. See the door panels inside. Well, I ain't touched this car. I mean, literally, they drug it over here because it's not running. I traded in my Warrior 4 for this car. mainly because I told the woman I'd get her BMW back. But, you know, alright. So we got, oh, let me show some things there. I got the windshield cracked, unpriced it, $125. That sucks bigger than crap. Anybody that let the kids crack a windshield, wow, I don't know. Might not have been the kids, but might not have the money to replace it either, so who knows. Anyways, like I said, that door panel's intact. Look at this interior, other than this CD player. And I hate to price a head unit to make that one back there work, but it's something we're going to do. It is automatic. It does bother me. This piece here, yeah, this is the only piece I think is broke on the interior that I've seen so far. This is kind of like the old Fox bodies, you know, they break away. It's like the first thing that breaks on them. I don't have battery in the car, but it's got 145,000 miles on it. Come with the clicker, the key. Of course, you got your windows. Everything inside. You can do the whole manual swift swap thing there. I'm not really sure. The gas warp down transmission was good, so we'll find out. I do think we got a cat missing here. Just kind of give you a run through. It does have, I mean, they do a pretty wood grain in these things. Fades out, but still pretty. Everything seems to be. Take a look at these. I laughed at these. I mean, look, really. Well, what's this for? I mean, things like 4 inches wide. Anyways, I mean that little mirror. I mean, what's? I mean, what? I mean, let's see. Oh, whoa, hello there. I see you. Anyway, there's a mirror in that one for your lovely lady. You know, kick them down. You got your locks. Well, for your convertible top, they work. The top's in really good shape. There ain't no holes. You will have to flop that down, pull that back, unhooks there. You should be able to grab right here. Oh, there's the top. Open nice and smooth. Top's in really great shape in this thing. Needs clean, but you know, it's one of them things. Buckles there, right back down. Tucks right out of the way if you want it to. Pretty slick. Somebody did the wax dip, I guess, look better than black on top. I don't know. That's why I was trying to find a body line that person could come off with this. See, here's your good body line to two-tone something, but it don't get down in the clear coat. You'd have to come down the door handles, catch the clear coat. So, yeah. It's solid underneath as well. No rust on this car whatsoever. These big old hoods, they're a little tight, a little tempting here. Oh look, there's the trigger for that. Oh look, there's another smiley face sticker, or a woohoo sticker, emo sticker, emo Joe, baby Joe. There you have it, 1.9 liter, little inky dinky thing, I do believe. Let me look, make sure. He says it's a head gasket. It's all clean, pretty. Look, there's another BMW sticker. Now, I'm not for sure about all the history on all these, to be honest with you. I do know, as far as this BMW, that anyways, they started making these in 1996. They're U.S. made, from what I understand. They're made in a plant out of South Carolina, is what I have found so far. I don't know much about I mean, it's a sports car. It was their attempt to do a sports car. In the 90s, it's the 4-cylinder era, gas-saving Hondas. It was an attempt to be a sports car with a 4-cylinder. I think they came out with a 6-cylinder too with it slightly right after. So they had both. So, I don't know. If you want to see more on this project, stay tuned. So, we don't have the Warrior no more, so you watch for the Warrior. We traded it for this. So, needless to say, I took a $800 Ranger. You guys seen, go back and check my videos. I put leaf springs, a few other stuff in it, a little bit of work. I had about $800 in it overall, $1,000 I think with topper and everything. Traded it for a really nice four-wheeler. Warrior four-wheeler. Had it for about 6 months. I rode it twice. Nothing seemed to be wrong with it. Just kind of sat in my garage. And now, straight for a BMW. So, with 140,000 miles on it. I'm trading up, I'd say. You know, got a fixed head gasket on it, if that's what's really wrong with it. Yeah, we'll find out. And see what we might trade it for. Or I could Finster let me spend my 401k on buying an LS motor and everything. Maybe we'll have an LS motor on it. Maybe not. We'll see. But like, subscribe, and enjoy. Tucked her away for the night. Had to cover her up. Didn't we? Yeah, we had to cover her up. The back glass is sad, I know. Back glass out of it. Yeah. Can you believe the name of the collar? Yeah, they seen what it was. Pretty cool, huh?